Hi y'all, I'm Chase, and this is not going to be about my 2021 Harley-Davidson Pan America Special today. It's actually about this, my vest. It is a Harley-Davidson, I don't even know what it was, like 3-in-1. It was a slim fit. Unfortunately, I've slimmed a little more than this can fit. Yeah, I'm tired of it beating me to death every time I go for a ride. I've ordered from a company before, First Manufacturing. I have one of their jackets. Let's put that on now. This is the villain. As you can see, it fits over my vest. I have no problems with this jacket while I'm wearing a vest. Even, it fits fairly well. There isn't a lot of material, and leather is stiffer, so it's not going to flop around. Now, I've had other problems with my vest. Problem is it's starting to fall apart. Every bit of stitching on it's starting to fray. You can tell it's starting to turn white on the edges. Yeah, it's starting to kind of fall apart. So, that's my second First Manufacturing Company jacket that I've had. First one saved me some road rash. I hit a car, a woman pulled out in front of me, and my bike and I went flying. Yeah, so it saved me some road rash. I thrashed it, and it's actually still hanging in my closet, I think, somewhere. I don't know. It's have been hard to find since I moved. Since I live out here in the boonies and I moved, I haven't even looked for it, so I'll probably find it one day. But like I said, I've lost quite a bit of weight, and this is... it's annoying. So, I've had this for about 3 years, 4 years. It's canvas or jean material. I don't know what you want to call it. It's held up okay, but you can tell it's starting to, let's just say, fall apart. It also does not have inside pockets. There's no lining. This looks like a pocket, but I'll show you. This looks like a pocket. Oh yeah, that looks great. I could put something in there, and yeah, not good. Same with the other side. It's like they thought about putting inside pockets in, but then decided not to actually sew them. There is nothing else in here. I mean, it's got zip-up pockets and everything, so that's great. But I somehow managed to get a partnership with First Manufacturing Company. Oh, please excuse my my look today. I had to get up early. I had minor surgery this morning on my neck. I've got some Band-Aids and stuff on the back, and I'm still sporting that, you know, that hospital hotness here. Yeah. So let's take a look at, well, my new vest. Now, to be honest, I did have to wait. I did order an extra small. It was just a hair too small in the chest, so I had to go back and get a small size. So, here we are. This is the signature. The First Manufacturing Company signature vest. It is lined. Let's get it out so everyone can get a look at it. All right. Very nice stitching, at least that's what I'm noticing. Yeah. Very nice, very, very nice. Let's see what it looks like on me, because, well, for some reason that matters to a lot of people. I'm mostly wearing this because, like I said, I've went down on a bike. I went flying along with my motorcycle when a woman pulled out in front of me, and I hit her. So, yeah. Let's see what this looks like on me. This is a small. Now, we're going to also do a comparison between what a small vest and a small jacket, because both of them are smalls. Now, the person that I talked to at First Manufacturing did say that the vests run slightly smaller than the jackets. We're going to check that and see if that is true or not. One last look at the Harley-Davidson 3-in-1 Slim Fit. Now, this is supposed to be 38 to 39. So, and like I said, this was driving me nuts. I figure this will be alleviated with a leather vest. So, yeah, hopefully this works. Now, for the new vest. Okay, let's zip this puppy up real quick. Oh, much better. Much better. Oh, I can tell this one is this is gonna be nice. Unlike my my Harley vest. Oh, perfect. Just perfect. Snap button sides. Oh, that's nice. Oh, so nice. Seriously, wow, that fits so much better. It can't beat me. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Now, so you can see the difference between how their jackets at first manufacturing fits compared to how the vest fit. Now remember, these are both smalls. So this is a size to size comparison of a first manufacturing jacket to a first manufacturing, vest. So I'm going to put the jacket on without the vest, so you can see how much extra room. I can already tell you right now, look, this fits perfect. That is a little bit large, but when I wear it in the wintertime, I'm wearing more stuff underneath it. I will probably be wearing, say, this vest. So let's try on the coat so you guys can get a look and see the difference in how it fits. Man, I am so impressed. Oh, if you are a gun carrier, yeah, nice gun pocket over here. Ooh, yeah, that'll fit probably at least a Glock 19, maybe a commander size, possibly a government size 1911 airsoft pistol, maybe. Yeah, maybe we'll see. I don't know. So yeah, pretty nice. Let's see if it has any internal pockets. I forgot to even look. It is nicely finished and said, oh, and internal pockets. Oh, and it Velcros shut. Oh wow, and very nice. The interior is very, very nice. It is a removable interior. You can remove the interior. Here's the zipper for it. And I'm sure there's some on the other side. Yep. If you have like club colors, yeah, this stuff's removable. You can put it on there. I think this is a, yeah, you should be able to put club colors on this very easily. If, like I said, it fits well. Let's check the jacket though. Now the jacket, now this is without a vest or anything, so this is with, the same shirt and everything that I was wearing with the vest. So let's zip this up. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell or not, but yeah, this is quite a bit more room. See what I mean? There's more room in here, a lot more room. So I have a 37-inch, 38-inch chest. It's somewhere in there. It's hard to measure yourself. And I have a 30-inch waist. I am a little over 6 foot. I just weighed myself this morning. I was 150.6 pounds. So, but this right here is what I was talking about. The difference between how a vest fits and how a jacket fits from first manufacturing. This is what, oh man, I don't know what he is. He's in charge somehow. His name's Jorge. Great guy. Helped me out when I ordered an extra small, thinking that would be the size for me. I was wrong. So I had to size up just a little bit because I thought going with the exact size. And I even talked to someone over there. They were great. I shipped it back. They got it back to me ASAP. Yeah. It did take a little bit longer because it was lost somehow in shipping. I don't think it was their fault. I think it was the shipper's fault. So I can't blame them for that. But since you've made it to the whole video, I do, like I said, somehow I managed to get myself involved with them. And it wasn't even through this order. I paid the regular price that anyone else would pay that you can find online. So I didn't get any special deal on this. If you want to get gloves, hats, jeans, anything they sell, I mean vests, jackets, any of that stuff, I have a promo code, a discount code. It'll be right here. And that will get you 25% off. I don't know how I did it, honestly. I don't think I have enough followers for that. But I'll take what I can get, and hopefully you guys will benefit from it somehow. That's it. Like I said, oh man, this fits perfect. And if you are going to order, remember that a vest from first manufacturing will fit a little bit slimmer than the same size jacket. So if you're going to order a large jacket, the large vest will fit slimmer. Last thing. If you order something and you need to send it back, these tags over here, do not remove them. They need to have the tag still on it for it to be accepted as a return. So try it on, honestly. And what I did was I tried my old one on and I put a hoodie over it, so I didn't get anything on it. And I just wore it around the house and sitting down getting up, walking around, I knew that the extra small was going to be just a hair too small. This fits perfect. I mean, seriously. I'm wearing a pair of carpenter jeans. I'm wearing a belt, and it fits perfect. So I'm very happy. I hope this helps someone because I can't find a lot of sizing information and a size comparison. In fact, I have never seen a size comparison for First Manufacturing from their coats to their vests, ever. And I've looked. So hopefully this will help someone. And honestly, really, great guys. And seriously, thank you, Jorge. I don't know if you're watching this or not, but seriously, thank you, man. Awesome, awesome. And I'm very impressed. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Lads and lasses. Like, comment, subscribe, click that ding-a-ling to be notified of any new videos I'm coming out with. Stay stubborn. Get out there and ride. Bye, y'all.